Okay, so see the next question of our series that goes like the sum to infinity of the series 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 6 by 3 square plus 10 by 3 cube up to infinite, and the options are 2, 3, 4 and 6. Just pause the video and try. This is quite simple question. When you are ready, just keep watching for the solution. Okay, so I am solving this. I hope you have tried. Now see this. In numerator we can see what is happening in numerator. 2, 4, difference of 4, difference of 4, difference of 4. So difference of 4 in consecutive terms. Okay, what is happening in denominator? 3, 3 square, 3 cube, like multiplication of 3. Okay, what is happening in denominator? Terms are getting multiplied by 3. Okay, so what we will do to approach this question? Okay, let's see the difference between 1 and 2. First and second term, it is not the 4. So it is just different from this whole series. So just take this in the left side, 2 by 3 plus 6 by 3 square plus 10 by 3 cube. 3 cube, okay. So whenever there is increment in the numerator and multiply in the denominator, we only used to do one thing. We multiply the whole series by that, we divide the whole series by that part which is getting divided in the series. Okay, so 1 by 3. Why we are doing so, I will explain after some time. Just be with me. So it will be 2 upon 3 square, it will be 6 upon 3 cube, it will be 6 upon 3 to the power 4 and so on. What is the benefit of this? The benefit is when we will subtract the second series, this is first, sorry, this is first, this is second. When we will subtract the second series from first, we can get same terms in the numerator. Okay, we are getting always increment of 4, so we will get 4 always in the numerator, and in denominator we will see a gp. Okay, so that will be quite simple to solve because you know the formula of gp, infinite gp. Okay, so just subtract 2 from 1, we will get 2 upon 3s minus 1 equals 2 upon 3. Don't forget to write this. Now subtract this from this, you will get 4 upon 3 square, similarly 4 upon 3 cube, similarly up to infinite. Okay, so it is a gp. Okay, 4 upon 3 square, 4 upon 3 cube, it is a odd term. We will just add this. Okay, it is a gp where the first term is 4 upon 3 square, 4 upon 9, and you know the formula of gp na, a upon 1 minus r, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio. R should be less than 1. Okay, and we can see the r is less than, r is 1 upon 3 actually. Okay, so 4 upon 9 is the first term and 1 minus r. What is r? 1 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 into s minus 1 will equals 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 9. So just solve this further, plus 4 upon 9. This will be 2 upon 3. 3 upon 2 in the numerator. Okay, 3, 3, 2, 2. So 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3. Okay, so s minus 1 equals 2 because 3, 3 and 3, 3 will get cancelled out, and what will be remaining there? 4, and 4 upon 2 is 2. So s will be 2 plus 1 equals 3. So this will be our summation. Let me make it clear to you that what we did here. Multiply the series with the same number which is getting multiplied in the denominator. Why we did so? So that the numerator term will equalize because the increment was equal. So if you will subtract this from this, you will always get the same numerator, and when you have the same numerator and denominator is getting multiplied by something which is, means you will get a gp with term with the common ratio less than 1, and you can definitely add that by that formula called a upon 1 minus r, and you will get this answer. So thank you for being with me, and thanks for watching.